not just for poor people, but even middle class people find it very difficult to buy special books for their kids other than the curriculum books. Even buying normal curriculum books are very difficult. So this e-digital library will not only have the curriculum books from first class to 10th class NCERT books, it will also have 10,000 plus books other than the curriculum which your children will be able to access. Today I can see that there are many teachers, many parents who are also present in this program. It's almost like a very special gift to all of you from your MLA, Captain Venzi. In fact, I will not say that the credit goes to, I don't think the credit goes to Captain Venzi. I think the credit goes to all of you that you selected Captain Venzi as your MLA, because when we go out and vote, we don't take our vote seriously. We take 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, someone comes and offers us 1,000 rupees, someone comes and offers us something else, and we sell our vote. At that time we don't think that how important and how precious our vote is. But today Captain Venzi with his work in the last 4 years has shown how precious and how priceless our vote is. If you vote the right person, the kind of benefits that flow to your family and your kids is immense. So this library will have 10,000 plus books, special videos, tests, special JEE and NEET coaching programs. These days the coaching programs are so expensive, it is not possible for middle class people to afford coaching classes. But in this e-digital library you will have access to all of them also. Now, Goa has BJP government. Captain Venzi belongs to Aam Aadmi Party. We are part of the opposition. Normally you see that whenever there is an opposition MLA, the entire 5-year tenure is spent on just cribbing and cribbing and cribbing. I can't do anything. The government is not supporting me. The government is of a different party. The CM is not supporting me. The ministers are not supporting me. The officers are not supporting me. I can't. Captain Venzi is not like that. He's not whining. He's not complaining. He's not criticizing the government. He is amongst you, serving you in whatever capacity he can. I was asking him from where did the funds come for this library. He said, I'm funding partly from my salary and partly from donations. This is extraordinary. I want to ask you, how many MLAs are there in this country? If someone becomes an MLA, even in Goa or any part of the country, his first priority is to earn as much money as possible through corruption. His first priority is to loot the public exchequer, to indulge in corruption and earn as much money for his family. For 7 generations, they make money, they buy flats, they buy properties, they buy land, as if next time they may or they may not become an MLA. But Captain Venzi has not been like that. Captain Engineer Cruz, our other MLA from Valley, he's not like that. We have 2 MLAs in Goa. Both the MLAs have shown how an ideal MLA should be. He's spending whatever salary he gets. He's not spending his salary on his kids. He's not spending his salary on his family. He's spending his salary on you because he treats you, he treats the people of Benoli as his family. How many such MLAs will you find? Because this is the ideology of Aam Aadmi Party. The people, the members of Aam Aadmi Party are here to serve the people. We treat politics as a vehicle to serve the people. Politics is not, we are not in politics to make money. We are not in we are from different backgrounds. None of us are from political backgrounds. I was an income tax commissioner. Atishi she's an Oxford graduate. Captain Venzi also is not from politics. We are all from non-political background. We are like ordinary people like you. We came in politics because we wanted to change the politics of this country. We came in politics because we wanted a change in this country. And you can see, you gave us chance only in 2 assembly constituencies in Goa, and you can see the kind of changes which are taking place here. Just now we saw off 4 patients who have gone for cataract operations. With this, Captain Venzi has completed 200 patients. He has got cataract operations done for 200 patients out of his own salary. How many such MLAs will you find in this country? He runs a he runs a Aam Aadmi clinic, his own office, where people are treated free doctor, free treatment, free medicines, free tests. You get specialized treatment, orthopedics, doctor, pediatrics, eye surgeons, they all come in his clinic. So health, education, likewise, he has provided jobs, employment to more than 100 people in his constituency. He has tied up with hotel industry, he has tied up with marine industry, he has tied up with several other industries. Who does work like this? And whose job was this to provide education, to provide health, to provide? It was the job of BJP government. It was not his job. This is not MLA's job. It was the job of BJP government. But what are they doing? They have demolished, they have closed down 200 schools in Goa in the last few years. There was a news that in one of the government schools, the ceiling fan came down. In one of the schools, the roof came down. This is the kind of education system that Goa has. So whatever chance the people of Goa gave us in these two constituencies, we are working with whatever capacity we have. And if we get a chance for the whole of Goa, we will completely transform various sectors, education, health, roads, electricity, water, all the sectors, as we have done in Delhi. Now we are working in Punjab. In Punjab recently we came out with a scheme. We have given health insurance worth 10 lakh rupees to every single family. 65 lakh families in Punjab. Each family has got a health insurance of 10 lakh rupees. So even the poorest of the poor, fishermen, drivers, taxi drivers, laborers, poorest of the poor can get the best treatment in the best private hospitals up to 10 lakh rupees. No other government in the country has done this. So I congratulate Captain Venzi for this excellent initiative. I also take this opportunity to lend my support to a very big movement which is going on in Azad Maidan these days. I am told that Section 39A of Goa TCP Act provides an opportunity for huge corruption to various ministers and various officers in Goa, and because of which the people of Goa are very fed up, and it is the demand of people of Goa that Section 39A should be abolished. I make an appeal to the Chief Minister of Goa that this section should be immediately abolished. Even if they have to call a special assembly session, they should call a special assembly session and they should abolish this particular section, and I lend my support to this movement. Thank you so much.